as highly as I can Barkat as a Google Ads specialist.
My name is Brian Rice and I own an agency here in the States, and I worked with Barkat. He helped me with some Google Ads for a client I have.
His overall knowledge of the Google Ads platform is absolutely excellent. So just wanted to say thank you, Barkat. You've been fantastic, and I continue to.
This quick video for my good friend Barkat. He's been really helpful when it comes to Google Ads.
I give a huge shout out to Barkat for helping me out with my Google Ads campaigns. Beforehand, I was really struggling to generate a lot of qualified leads for the business.
He's really great to work with, super easy, very professional, and he will get your Google Ads results. Okay, so definitely work with Barkat.
I highly recommend Barkat. Appreciate you. Looking forward to working with you again.
He was very patient. He took his time and he explained what was happening. It was really helpful for me. I got a lot of value.
If you need some Google Ads help with keywords or getting the ads optimized, give Barkat a try. He's worth it.
And if you're looking to get any type of Google Ads services or even web page development, he's a really great guy. And thank you.
If you look for someone who can help you run the Google Ads, Barkat knows his stuff, and I would recommend him if you're looking for someone with experience in.
Excellent job on the campaigns that they helped me with. They're absolutely experts at Google AdWords, YouTube ads, and they seem to be doing a really great job with high level automations there as well. So I